Right, so let's dive a little bit deeper into the positive space, negative space, and we're going to add more about the value and the reason behind it, which is light and shadow. Okay, so let's start with some light. So first we're going to look at where the light source is. Okay, so for example, the light source come from this way. Right? Imagine light come from this way, and you want to see whether the light is like coming, like away or towards you. Right? There's a little trick here. So if it's towards you, it's something like this. Right? Instantly, it's shooting towards you. If you want it to go away, you just need to go there, and then instantly it will just shine away. The reason for that, you want to see the light shining behind the object or before the object. That change the the light and bouncings and all that. So this is like lights come from your side and then shooting the object. Okay, so let's start with the very basic circle using your shoulder to get a circle. I do not have a perfect circle, but it's good. You just need to gradually lay in and get approximate a circle. That's enough. And then if this is the thing that you want to draw, that will be the positive space, right? You just need to lay in with the circle that sort of envisioned in your mind. Rest of it, don't worry, we're going to solve that problem. So it's like a mathematical problem, right? So once you got that, that's your positive space, and then you can think about all the negative space that behind. Okay, and things is just a line. You can make it like non-symmetric. You make it, I don't know, some pear or something like that. If it's a pear, you have some shape like this, right? Some shape like this, and then you can add a pear. But right now, let's start with a very simple one. Start with purely this. Okay, so at each of the step, I'm still going to ask you the question: what is the positive space? What's next space? So you always know what we are doing. Okay, but as we move on, since we already add a light source here, we can add more and more detail. So not just the space, but different values. Spaces are like extreme of that value, whether it's like really bright or just in the middle, or really negative, right? Just really light, really dark in the middle, and really light. You can flip it, as I said, but we add more difficulty by adding value to it. So you can consider not just like 3 color 0, 1, 2, but it's like a scale, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the way to say 9 or 10. Okay, so you choose different value, you add inside.